Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with the super cute idea of making 4 different styles of keychains charms which are made using paper quilling strips, and they are super adorable. I have created here chick, penguin, teddy bear and the cute cat. So you can use this as a purse charm or the mobile charm, or you can simply use this as a keychain. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am starting with making the chick charm. For this, to create the body, I am taking here 5 strips of yellow color in 5 mm and creating a tight coil. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more tight coil using 5 strips of yellow color in 3 mm. Now taking my quilling mold and shaping both the shapes. So just taking 3 mm tight coil and making a dome shape, and taking 5 mm tight coil and creating a long cone shape or long dome shape for the upper body. And when you are happy with the height, just add glue inside the domes and spread it using brush. Like this. Then I am passing one eye pin through the bigger dome, so that we can convert this into keychain, and then I am connecting both the parts together using glue. Like this. Then to create legs, here I am taking 1.5 strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more leg. Then to create beak, here I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color in 1 mm and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more, one for upper beak and one for lower beak. Then to create hand, here I am taking 1/2 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more hand. Then taking the legs, add glue on this and connecting on the bottom of the chick body. Then adding hands. And also connecting the beak. For the eyes, I have used here black color small clay balls. Looking very cute. Then on back side, I am adding one tight coil dome which is made using 1/4 strip of light orange color. Now here I have prepared one cute hat for the chick. The bigger circle is made using 2 strips of purple color in 1 mm and the smaller tight coil dome is made using 1 strip of purple color in 3 mm. So I have just connected both the parts together and passing the eye pin through the hat as well and connecting with chick using glue. Then I am just passing one flower bead through the top wire, twisting it using plier and connecting with the keychain holder. Like this. And then here I have prepared this cute clay flower which I am going to connect on the left hand of chick using glue. You can also create small quilled flower. And the super adorable chick charm keychain is completely ready. Then I am starting with the penguin keychain charm. So I have prepared these two tight coil domes using 3 strips of black color in 3mm. Now I am connecting both the domes with each other, and before that I am passing one eye pin through the one of the dome. So it will be the head or face of the penguin. Like this. And to create body I have prepared 2 domes here. This is made using 5 strips of black color in 3mm and this is made using 4 strips of black color in 3mm. I just wrapped my strip around my tool to create the hollow center of the dome. Then I am joining both the shapes together to create the body. Like this. And then sticking the face with the body. Then here I have prepared some white color clay cutout for the front part of the penguin, which is white. So I am connecting one part on the body and another part in heart shape for face. And the clay is completely dried. After that I am just passing one blue color pearl through this wire, twisting it from top and connecting with keychain holder. So this is done. That I am showing you how to create the cupcake which I am going to give on the hand of penguin. So here I have this beautiful mold of cupcake. I am just adding brown color clay for base, pink color clay for icing and one more small white clay icing which I am going to connect on top. And on the topmost area I am adding one small red color circle as a cherry. So the cupcake is ready, super cute. Then here I am taking blue color 3mm strip in the curved manner, connecting on the head of penguin, which will work like the hat or the cap for the penguin. And to cover the ears, here I am using 2 small blue color tight coil domes which are made using half strips of blue color in 3mm. Like this. Adding the beak just like we created for chick, adding one small cute bow, connecting both the hands which are made using half strip of black color in 3mm. These are simple bended teardrop shapes. Sticking the cupcake with one of the hand and of course adding legs. And for the eyes again adding clay, small black color balls. And the super adorable penguin keychain charm is also completely ready. Then I'm starting with the bear keychain charm. So here I have prepared the body just like we did for the cheek using 5 strips of peach color. The process is same, just the color is different. So the upper one is longer and the bottom one is shorter. I have passed one T-pin through this already. Then adding some bead from top, twisting the wire and connecting the keychain. Like this. Then to create donut, here I am taking light brown color clay, just rolling it on my palm, making a ball shape. Pinch it little bit and then passing one brush from backside through this to create the hole inside the donut. And then taking dark brown color clay, flattening it on the surface, just cutting it in a random circular shape. Then sticking it on top of the donut, passing the brush again to create the hole on the brown clay. And in this way you can easily create the donut. And after making basic donut shape, you can decorate it according to your choice. Then here I have prepared hands using 1/4 strips of peach color in 3 mm. 2 tight coil domes which are made using 1/2 strips for ears. 2 tight coil domes which are made using 1/1 strips of peach color for legs. 1 tight coil dome using dark peach color for nose. Here I have added 1 small triangle and line using black color clay. And also I have decorated my donut using some small clay shredders just as the toppers. So everything is done. Now it's time to assemble the bear shape. Adding 2 small black color circles for eyes. And also I have added 1/2 strip tight coil in brown color on backside as the tail. So the bear keychain is also ready. Then I'm proceeding for my last keychain, that is the cute chubby cat. So first of all I am showing you how to create the cookie biscuit. Here I am taking light brown color clay, just rolling it on my palm and making a flat circle. Then using any pointed tweezer or needle, just poke some holes to create the texture of the cookie. You can also create the texture using sandpaper. So it will look like the baked cookie. And then taking dark brown color clay balls as the choco chips and connecting randomly on the cookie. So the cookie is completely ready. So here I have prepared the body of the cat already using 5 strips of grey color, just like we did before. Added 2 small triangles for ears using 1/2 strips. Added small pink color clay triangles to decorate the ears from front. 1 small tail using grey color clay and 2 tight coil domes for legs which are made using 1/1 strips. And also I have passed the eye pin already, so just adding some beads through this, connecting with keychain. Then I am adding hands which are made using 1/4 strip of grey color. These are simple teardrop shapes. Adding the cookie Then 2 small clay curved design for the nose, some whiskers, and black color ball for the eyes. Also adding some black color small pieces as a hair texture. Like this, the cat keychain is ready. Then it's time to varnish everything. So here I'm using Perfect Glaze by craftgully and I'm applying it on all my charms to glaze it, to make it shiny, to make it more sturdy, to make it waterproof, and it will give beautiful look to your charms. So I have done the glazing from all the sides, and with the same method I have glazed all my remaining charms as well. So all the super cute, adorable charms are ready, and in this way you can create your own charms with different animals. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.